Today we have the full Civic Si Epsilon body kit. That includes the front lip, a new full rear valance, 2 side skirts, and our new wing. This is for the FE series of 11th Gen Civic sedans. And as you've noticed, these are paint matched. These are soft polyurethane. This is meant for durability and longevity. You do not have to worry about these things shattering the minute they see a puddle rock. You can see that like this is a little crooked, and this is normal. This will soften up in the sunlight and flatten. This will make installing much easier. And if you don't happen to have sunlight, you can use a hairdryer or heat gun. So for the front lip, we're gonna go ahead and peel off about 3 inches of tape on both sides. So Kevin's doing the same thing. Now I've already adhesion promoted the sides. The sides are the most important. Everything else already has screws to secure it. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead, get it wrapped around the car and over the sides. Grab your self-tapper with the wheel pointed to the right. Off. And then, with the remaining self-tappers, you have all these brackets that will go into your factory bumper. You do not need to do all of them, but we certainly recommend you do all of them for safety. If you want to do every other one, that's also perfectly fine. The final touch is this wonderful Epsilon badge that lets you know that you're cool. Cooler than everyone else. Look at that. Jack up the rear of the car on the jacking point that these cars have. And you're gonna pull the rear wheels off. The reason why is because the valance and the rear of the side skirt need all the access you can to put the screws in. So we're gonna go ahead and start the side skirts by turning the wheel to the left. I'm going to take adhesion promoter. These are not currently included. I do highly recommend you getting these off Amazon because these do tend to expire. So you always kind of want new ones. And you're going to wipe some adhesion promoter right here and along the door sill and also right here. What that helps you do is it makes the double-sided tape stick a lot better, and it makes the panel gaps for the kit a lot better. I'm gonna go ahead and peel a 2-inch section off the front and the back just to prep it. And this section, like many of the old school sky skirts, goes in your door sill. You do not need to open your door for this. Just go ahead like this. And then get it over, yep. Up and over like that. Okay, the tape should be ready for you. So you can just press down on your little 2-inch section. And then this is actually a screw that came in the car. So make sure you take the screw off first. Sorry for going out of order. And the back is the same story. It might be useful to get a heat gun here and heat this up if it's not perfectly flat. And now this will line up with the top of the body line, like so. Okay? You can now go ahead and put your self-tapper in the top and bottom. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna peel and place all along the center. One thing that's optional that I like to do is put some self-tappers to secure. You don't necessarily need to do it. The tape is usually strong enough. But I would technically recommend putting a self-tapper right here to secure to your stock skirt. In this particular case, I put adhesion promoter, so I'm not going to do that. You can see it's on there pretty good. Just like that, the front's on. So now we're gonna move on to the rear valance. This is our big piece. There's nothing quite like it on the market. It's taped along the whole side, which is why you want to use adhesion promoter. And then we also have 4 screws in the middle and 2 on the side that's secured to the side factory bumper. So first things first, pull a little bit of the tape off, and we're gonna push it as far up as we can. I'm holding this up on my side where the exhaust is, and I'm lining this up right here. And then putting the self-tapper. You're gonna see right here, this bracket butts up against the bumper. So you will need a screw extension. Up and in, up and in, up and in, up and in, up and in. It's important to adhesion promoter this, just because it's such a big piece. But it looks pretty good. And then we're gonna finish up by putting the screws to the top. So you see this, factory clips? These need to come out and then you put in the new clip. Fit check, yo. Look at that, it's so good. Nice, look at that. So cool.